Area, hello, Onade, welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match, talk how you see am. Southampton team 0 and Manchester United 1. And we get Oga Emma, we be like saying a very ogbongelistic Man U fan, make on tell us about how you see the game. Oga Emma, now how you see Man U performance today? The game against Liverpool, Man U chocolatized everybody. Nobody expecting Man U go win this game. But this one against Southampton, some people say make we look Man U with corner eye. But how you see Man U performance for this match?
Actually, Man U dey try compared to Liverpool game. But my advice to them be say they still need more improvement, more work and more training and the rest. If not, with this performance today, e no get where they go for the season. So now wetin I get about today match, maybe that.
So make I ask you now, we see say for the start of this match, Cristiano Ronaldo will be like say normally now Oruru, one of the best players to play this game. Some people go argue saying I am even the best player ever safe. They bench him for this game. They bench him against Liverpool. What do you get to talk about that decision? You think say this decision they help the team?
Actually, if you still look into the two games when they bench him, we win. So if the fans they talk say na best player, it's time just to go.
Okay.
Age just dey tell on now. So they still need more players, younger stars, to play the game. Once winning don dey come, if they put am for the game, impact go see the show. Than when match we dey lose or we dey draw, they can't go put am. E no get that strength again. So now wetin we get to wetin I get to talk about Ororo na be that. Benching the guy, not be bad thing, na good thing because the two times they don bench am now, we win the game. So nobody go talk say na bad thing right now. So now wetin I get to talk about Ororo na be that one.
You talk about the young players now, say as they bench am too, young players will get opportunity. What do you get to talk about the performance from Anthony Elanga and Marcus Rashford for this match?
Most especially Rashford. As our last season, he not do well. But this new coach wey come so, we see the look how he go take improve Rashford improvement. So but right like this now, so scoring against Liverpool, if you check net before the match, he thought say scoring against other team na normal goals. But scoring against Liverpool na improvement to am. So and truly he score goal against Liverpool. So to us now, he dey try the one improve. And the improvement we dey see am so. So he dey try. We no fit talk say he good now so. He try. We go only talk say he try. Na only try we fit talk right now. So na wetin Rashford fit do be that. And the improvement dey try dey come up small. Na be that.
So make I ask you now about Manchester United transfer business. We don't see players like Malacia don't come, Eriksen don't come, Lisandro Martinez don't come, and also now Casemiro don't join. How you see Manchester United transfer business so far for inside this transfer window? If you want rate them from 1 to 10, now how you go rate them?
Actually, I go rate them from 1 to 10. I go rate them 5. 5
out of 10.
Out of 10,
Why?
which is half of the full. Yes,
average.
half average. And why I talk like that be say the team now so with the sign where they don't make, they come up. Now they see they improve. So the improvement be say if you look into the first 2 matches all we play, they beat them as in the kind beat they beat them. Even myself I would ashamed to become Man U fans. But after that 2 beating, so the improvement of the coach now when they sign come now so they try they improve himself. If philosophy into the game tactics, they work now so the improvement of the game now so they try. Now only try now for now. Only try now they try. So we they hope for more improvement from now.
Okay.
So now ain't be that.
All right, now make I ask you now about this match. Now who be your man of this match?
Actually now Bruno Fernandes be man of the match. He try well for the game. Even though the midfield right now he never see too strong like that. But the striking force they try.
Okay. But with what you see now, how high you think say Manchester United go finish by the end of this season?
With this their performance, we dey hope for the top 4.
Top 4. Okay.
Yes. And the top 4 we dey hope for. We will not fit guarantee say we will contest for the league title. So now only top 4 right now we just dey hope for. We hope for God for that one.
All right, now make I ask you about one player we don't link to Man U for this transfer window now. Anthony, the winger from Ajax. We don't see say yesterday in talk saying don't tell Ajax saying won't come out. You know you they get. But Ajax now see they do strong again. Manchester United said they won't put about 90 million for inside ahead, but Ajax too no still great. How you see this move? You think say that kind of player that Manchester United need?
Actually, the player Anthony, the moment Manchester United start to go for him, we like the player. We call the follow-up, he playing for Ajax. But the amount of money when Manchester United they put for a head, it's too big. that kind of money now, if Manchester United fit finally acquire that player finish, too much high expectation go dey on now. So I dey hope say Man U go drop body from that player, go find player where their price dey lesser to sign. That is, this kind of money now affect Paul Pogba for Man U, e affect Harry Maguire. They don dey still dey try, they wan make that mistake again. So my advice for me to Manchester United board, make dem no go for am again, make dem find someone else entirely, make dem sign. If not, e go affect them for future.
All right, now we'll talk about Manchester United defense now. For the last 2 games, we don't say Harry Maguire will be the team captain, no they play. Now, how you see this decision now? The game against Liverpool, you no play. We see say Varane and Lisandro Martinez now start. Also, this game again against Southampton, Varane and Lisandro Martinez now start. How you see this defense now with all these changes, and also for left back too? Malacia don't come for left back. How you see this Man U defense? You think say improvement on day?
Improvement dey fully well. To me, Varane with Lisandro Martinez na dem be the fine pair ever since Ferguson come up for Manchester United. So to me, Lisandro Martinez and Varane, their pair too make sense. They match well. Then if you talk about Malaysia for the left back, yeah, he tried. The boy over tried.
So make it continue to the bench look sure.
Make it continue to the bench look sure. Improvement prove say yes, he qualified to bench look sure. Then if you come to Dalot sef na see improvement player, but if they get chance to take sign another right back, make dem sign. Dalot dey try, but we still need more better improvement for that wing. Because if you look into Liverpool Manchester United match, na that wing dey work on well. And the 2 yellow card that we get now, because of Dalot, na make Varane get yellow card. Okay. So we need more improvement for that wing. So now wetin we need be that for the full defense now. We need right back, then we need replacement for the 2 central back in case, because no player be robot. We need more substitutes for them, for the back to strong. So now be that.
All right now, Oga Emma, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.